I am really excited to have this 27-inch Apolosign Smart Digital Calendar. You can see that this has calendar syncing, it does a screensaver, you can use all kinds of different Android apps, and you can customize the dashboard. And these are features that I was really wanting to have in a digital calendar. So let's take a look at what comes in this box. You can see here that this is going to include the 27-inch digital calendar. The frame size is going to be 26.5 by 16.2, and it's 1.52 inches thick. One of the reasons I like the idea of doing this instead of like a custom build is that this is really sleek and narrow, and it's going to be like beautifully integrated and built specifically for this design because it's going to be in a prominent place and it needs to look good. All right, I've turned this over so that we can get a better view of it as we open it up. Let's take a look inside. So this is really well protected and packed very nicely. It's a really nice sturdy box. I do like that it has a handle. This 27-inch size is a little bit bigger and a little heavier than any of the smaller sizes. I really wanted a larger display, so I wanted to go with the larger one. But if you get one of the smaller sizes, it's obviously going to be a little bit easier to manage and move around. So this you can see is the monitor, and it is nicely wrapped. Let's just lift this up and take a look here. Now it is basically a computer monitor. So you are, there is going to be a certain amount of weight to it. It's not going to be lightweight because, it's a pretty big display. If you think about like hanging a TV on your wall, that's kind of what you're doing here. We also have our user guide, our mounting hardware. There's a mounting bracket and the power adapter right here. So all of that is just neatly tucked in. This is really presented nicely. And here is our photo frame out of the box. I really like the frame on this. It's very pretty. This is a gray finish that we've chosen here, but it has like kind of this like wood grain texture to it. And it's really nice and clean. I didn't know that there would be kind of like this like recessed area, which I actually like. It adds additional kind of design element to it. And it really does kind of give the vibe of like being a framed picture on the wall. And that's kind of nice because it'll go with our decor in our house. We have a few different features on it. Here we have a sensor. And then on the top, we do have a couple of control buttons. We have power button and a plus and minus. And here on the back side, we have some places for USB-C. We've got the AC adapter here as well. So, and then there's room where you can fit the cord so that you have these channels. And I like that there are 3 different places where I can route the cord around. And then it has these nice little rubber feet on the back side so that it's not going to be bumping against the wall. So let's get this thing fired up and we're gonna get it all configured and see what we think. Now I've got my Apolosign digital calendar set up and ready to go. We have it in this location right kind of in the hallway, and it's going to be right as we're walking out of the house. A couple of things that I already love about this is the nice bright display. You can adjust the brightness. You can also set it so that you can make it brighter or darker depending, like it's sensitive to the light level that is coming in. So I went through and I made a few adjustments to it so that it was more customized to my needs. I changed the background and I've set up a bunch of different things. I've imported a calendar, as you can see here. I'm gonna blur out a lot of the things on the calendar here because obviously it's our family's calendar. But I'm really happy with how responsive the screen is. Let's take a look around. You can view this in 2 different modes. One is just calendar, so that's great if you only want to use it as a calendar and maybe you don't want your children to have access to anything else. But this is in Android mode right now, so I'll show you if I swipe this way. Now I have the different apps showing here, and actually I can have more on the next screen if I want to have those. And I also have some flexibility with the display. I have up here, I can change and show the calendar, the month, day, etc. And it shows me upcoming events. I have some flexibility as far as what I'm going to display there. These are all the apps. You're able to go into the Google Play Store and you can select apps just like you would on your device. So you just swipe up from the bottom to return to the main screen with apps. So let's take a look at some of the different settings here. Of course, for me, the main event is the calendar. That's the biggest thing that I was looking for in a digital wall calendar. In the different apps we're going to jump down to settings. Here are our settings that we can control. We've got our preferences for Google. That's where you're going to adjust your network. We've got our apps here. Here's where we can make adjustments to the sound and vibration, adjustments to volume, notifications, all that stuff. And then we've got the display. We can adjust the brightness. There is an adaptive brightness adjustment as well. And auto screen rotate. You have some other options there. If you go into wallpaper, you're able to make some different decisions as far as importing your own wallpaper. You can decide on your home screen and your lock screen and color combinations you'd like to have there. Here we have sleep mode, so you can make a time where it's just turned off when you know you're not going to be using it. So we've set it to kind of a brief window where we know we're not going to be up. There is a screensaver option here, and you're able to import your own Google Photos. You have some different options, but you can basically make an album in Google Photos, and then you can just use that album if you want it for your screensaver. I did that with family photos. And then we've got different options down here. You can set languages, you can see how much storage you're using, even more. You got your location, preferences, accessibility. Let's take a look at the accessibility. We've got parental controls as an option. Talk back, so that would be if you had a vision impairment, that would be really helpful. And you can also hear selected text, magnification, which is great. You have the ability to zoom in on the screen. That's a really nice function if you have some kind of vision impairment. And you've got an accessibility menu, and you can also switch the access here. Live caption is another option, automatically caption the media, so that's great. And you can get an audio description. So I'm really impressed, honestly, with this. You can even connect hearing devices. So I think that's great. You can flash notifications. It just does so much. There is an option for parental controls. So that's something I'm going to dig into a little bit more with my kids as well. So much good stuff to do here. If I press and hold on this one, then I have the ability to adjust the size of the widget. And in this case, it's calendar, and then here's the clock. Here I could make the clock bigger or smaller. So I found it to be really easy to make adjustments to this. You can add in other widgets if you want. You have the option, you could put in stock market, you could put in weather, whatever else you might find useful here. Another app that I find really, really helpful here is the Tasks app. That's a place where you can add in additional tasks for yourself or for your family or for your group. Next, let's go into the Apolosign calendar. And this is going to be basically the kind of display you'll see if you're on the calendar only side. So I've got, of course, my things. I'm going to blur these out because these are my events. But you have different displays. We've got routines, to-do items, and then we also have the ability to give some rewards. So if I go into the calendar, there is my calendar displayed. Here, routines. You can see I can set up tasks and routines for everyone in my family. I don't have any set up right now, but you have the option. You have to-do list, and you've also got rewards. And so this is really fun because I can set up all these different rewards for my kids. So if I say, okay, my kid needs to complete all of their schoolwork and it's worth this many points, at the end of the week, say they got enough points, then what I can do is just bring up this wheel and I can pick a member of the family to get the reward, and we can spin the wheel. And it's a really fun way for my kids to feel a little bit extra motivation to get that, that task done. That task feature is a major part of this. This is, as a teacher, really important to me that we have the ability to teach our kids how to use these digital tools, being able to organize their lives and use a Google Calendar or an Outlook calendar. You can also pair Outlook with this. This is such an important skill for kids, and I think this is a really great way to get them acclimated to that kind of digital calendar type of environment. So I know this is going to be a great addition to our household. This is the 27-inch size, and you can see initially I thought I would be doing it in a horizontal orientation. I actually prefer it in a vertical orientation once I got it out of the box and kind of played around with it. So Really happy with this purchase so far. Looks great. It's really beautiful. I also like that the screen is more of a matte finish. It is not glossy like some of the other similar products. And the very best thing about this particular digital calendar is that there is no subscription needed. I can get full functionality on this product without needing to pay an additional subscription. And that for me was really the big selling point. So I'm getting everything I want out of it without having additional obligations to pay beyond the initial purchase price of the item. I would definitely buy this same one again. And if you are interested in checking it out, I will have an affiliate link down in the description of this video. If you do decide to purchase this, please go check it out on my affiliate link. I can earn a commission for qualifying purchases, but I did purchase my own. This has not been gifted by the manufacturer. I purchased my own, and this is the one that I honestly chose for myself out of all of the options. It had the best features without the additional subscription and the additional strings attached. So I'm really glad that I picked this one.